Hey there, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's ever struggled with weak, damaged nails, whether from constant polishing, environmental stress, or maybe even acrylics, then this product might be exactly what you're looking for. Today, we're talking about the IBD Reconstrux Nail Growth Treatment, a nail repair product that promises to strengthen and renew nails, helping them grow stronger and healthier. First, let's break it down. The IBD Reconstrux Nail Growth Treatment is a powerful formula designed specifically to renew damaged nails and encourage healthy, fast growth. This 0.125-ounce bottle might seem small, but it's packed with the strength you need to transform your nails. The key idea here is the strengthening and repair of weak nails, particularly those damaged by artificial nails or environmental factors like cold weather or excessive hand washing. It's like a mini recovery treatment for your nails. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks, and I wanted to really put it through its paces. First off, application is incredibly simple. You just apply a thin layer of the treatment directly onto your nails, either bare or over a base coat, and let it dry. It doesn't take long at all to dry, which is great for someone always on the go. The product has a smooth texture, almost like a light gel, and it doesn't leave any sticky residue, which is a huge bonus. I didn't notice any overwhelming scent, so it's easy to apply without any irritation or discomfort. In terms of results, I did start seeing improvements after about a week of use. My nails definitely felt more resilient, and the usual chips and breaks that I normally get in the first few days of a manicure were noticeably less frequent. They also seemed less brittle, which made a huge difference in both the feel and appearance of my nails. There was an overall improvement in their texture too, less flaky, and they started growing out more evenly. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The price is definitely on the higher side for the quantity. While the formula works, if you're someone who's looking for a more budget-friendly option, this might not be the first product you reach for. Also, if you have particularly severe nail damage from years of gel manicures or constant nail biting, you may need a more intense treatment alongside this product. So let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the formula works. Your nails feel stronger and healthier. It's easy to use, dries quickly, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue. On the downside, it's a little pricey for the amount of product you get at, and if you're looking for instant results for extremely damaged nails, you might not see a drastic change overnight. As far as value for money goes, I do think it's a solid investment if you're looking for a nail treatment that helps strengthen your nails gradually over time. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives that could offer similar benefits, though perhaps without the same professional-grade formula. If you've tried any nail growth products or have a go-to remedy, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. We all have different experiences, so sharing them helps others find the best products for their needs. And hey, if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. As for a final verdict, does IBD Reconstrux Nail Growth live up to its claims? Yes, it definitely does a great job of improving the strength and condition of your nails. But it's not a miracle fix for damaged nails overnight. I think this product works best for those who are looking for gradual improvement and a long-term solution to weak nails. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.